Hey guys, Dr. Candace here from APM to talk to you about some basketball common injuries that we see in the office.
Yeah, some common injuries that Dr. Max and I know all too well. We're both basketball players growing up, but a lot of the common injuries we see, are shoulder sprain strains, ankle injuries, sprain strains. That's a really common one. I know we both have suffered from numerous ankle injuries. Knee injuries, foot injuries, hand and wrist injuries are also very common. So Dr. Max is going to go over some of the treatment techniques that, can help with these injuries.
So, with a lot of these things that we see in the office, a lot of them can be either prevented or we can actually help people get back on the court a lot quicker. So, a lot of things we do in the office, including, we're chiropractors, so we do a lot of adjusting. That helps restore the motion in those joints that might be injured, helps with healing time. Also, the scraping or the instrument-assisted soft tissue mobilization that helps replenish blood flow and help heal the healing factors. Any soft tissue technique we might do, including cupping, stretching, things like that to help the muscles heal faster. Also, we used a lot of the rock tape or the KT tape that a lot of people see athletes wear during their games and things like that. Their shoulders, their knees. They're not only for helping heal, but they also help with performance too. And then also, lastly, one of the things we have in our office that really helps people, especially with those, people come with those ankle injuries, those sprains, those things that are acute and they need to get back on the court really quick, is the laser therapy. The laser therapy is really good at just speeding up that healing process faster than you can get almost anything else in anywhere.
Yeah, ankle injuries or sprain strains take forever to heal, so the laser really helps move those injuries along quickly and get you back on the court quicker. A lot of the college teams, actually are using the laser now to help their athletes get back on the court a lot faster. So some injury prevention that you can do is make sure you're warming up right. I know when we were growing up, we never did dynamic warm-ups. It was more the static gym class stretching that we did before games, and now we're finding all the research that you want to be doing a dynamic warm-up. So that's, jogging, uh, butt kicks, running in place. You want to do jumping jacks. You want to do walking lunges. Those are all arm circles, all good things to really warm up those muscles and those tissues. And then afterwards, after the game, you want to make sure you're stretching good because that's going to really help realign those fibers and help with any soreness and, help with prevent any injuries. Also doing strength training, especially, during the season and in the off season is really important. Just keeping all those different muscles firing properly. So this way it helps prevent, any injuries by not having any muscle imbalances. Making sure you're getting enough water, especially putting electrolytes in the water because you need the electrolytes to help absorb the water. And that's going to, keeping you hydrated, keeping those muscles hydrated is really going to help prevent, any injuries. And then also making sure you're getting proper nutrition, making sure you're getting enough protein, enough calories, especially on game day. It's hard when you're in school and, during the day, you only get your lunch breaks. You want to make sure you're bringing food with you, and whether that's protein bars, snacks from home. So staying on top of proper nutrition is super important. You don't want to be going and getting fast food, every single day. Because that can just it's not going to set your body up for success. It might set you up for some injury. So just making sure you're staying on top of all of these things will definitely help prevent any injuries and keep you on the court.
Yeah, so if you have any questions about any injuries that you might be having on the court or in practice, things like that, these nagging injuries that might just be lingering, you can't get rid of them, or you need to just get back on the court quick, hit us up at APM or comment below.